Ready to get out? You want to get ride the helicopter?
Hey, turn it this way. Turn the wheel this way. Zach, turn it over this way. Zach, turn the wheel this way. Drive over here. There you go. Drive over this way. Zach, turn the wheel. Turn the wheel this way. All right, straighten it out. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now we're cruising. What's up, buddy? Gonna hit the side. Whoa, boing. Come on, Ryan. Turn the wheel this way. Turn the wheel this way. There you go. There you go. Turn it the other way. There you go. Now we're driving. Now we're driving. Now we're driving. There you go. There you go. Turn it right. He's just cruising. Turn the... Oh, Zach got you that time. There you go. Now you're peeling out, Zach. He just got his legs up. Oh!
Go faster. Yeah, if you want to go faster, put your hands in the air.
Cruise on over. There you go. There you go. Ryan's going in circles. He's doing donuts. Ryan's doing donuts.
Yeah,